sugar pies, how we doing? How we feeling? So it is Tuesday evening, and if you can tell, which I guess I need to cover this part up on, which y'all be looking at my boobies, because I don't have a bra on. I am actually laying back on my couch. I'm watching. You can't see it because I hate when the TV. I don't know if you can tell. Can you see? I'm watching a little YouTube. Oh, by the way, let me show you guys a quick sneak peek, which you'll see more on Saturday when I do my actual video, because on Saturday I am going to work on organizing my, let me turn this. I'm going to work on organizing my cabinets and putting stuff back in my cabinets and getting rid of some junk. So it's going to be kind of like a declutter, organization, cabinet reveal. But I'm going to give you guys a quick sneak peek. I don't know what you guys can see. Let me see. So over there are my beautiful, beautiful cabinets. I only want to give you all a quick sneak peek because, of course, on Saturday you will see lots more. The little thing that you see burning over there is it's not a Scentsy burner, but it's one of the Walmart burners. I think I told you guys about it when I got it. Absolutely love that little candle thing. It's just my favorite. I just love it. And there you can see a better shot of the television. I am watching Decor Moose. I've never seen her before, but like I told you guys, I'm so into oh my gracious, anything dealing with decor, house cleaning, remodeling. I'm just totally, totally engrossed in it. So I can't escape it. I just want to see it all the time. So I'm kind of chilling on my couch. Oh, I love my cabinets. Nose is itching. Okay, yeah, so I'm just kind of chilling on the couch, just kind of relaxing. All of a sudden, I was just sitting here thinking, I should do a vlog, a very quick little impromptu vlog, just to say, hey, what's up, and give you guys a sneak preview. I do have an unboxing that I want to do. Well, I don't know if I'm going to do it. I guess I can. I don't know how I'm going to do that. I have several things I need to do, between now and this weekend. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I'm going to get it all in. But I do know for sure on Saturday, I will be working on this kitchen. There's this part of me that wanted to start on it tonight, but I'm being lazy. I just want to sit here and relax. And, yeah, I don't want to do anything. So, I do have an unboxing of something that I got. It's actually, I don't want to say it's, well, I guess it is kind of like part of Christmas, but I just got it today, and I'm excited about having it. It's going to help my videos to improve, and I've been wanting one for a long time, and I finally got one, so I can't wait to share that with you all. But yeah, so I don't know how I'm going to get that into play, but I will, I promise. But as of right now, I just want to sit here and I want to chill and watch a little YouTube. I just ate like a porker, y'all. I have this thing I've been doing, which I don't want to really get into it until I have seen some results, and we'll talk about it later if I see any results. But and then I'll share it with you. So maybe in a week I'll share it with you guys. But this is my meal to eat, and I just ate and enjoyed every bit of it. I mean, every bit of it. The ribs were outstanding. I'll show you a clip of the ribs in a little bit. I'll show you the food before I ate it, but not really when it was on my plate. It was actually still in the by the stove. I was filming earlier, and I was kind of more or less doing I was showing you guys the full-on cabinets, and I was like, no, I can't do that. I want you guys to see it when I am ready for you guys to see it on Saturday. So they are done. Of course, they don't have the handles on there. They need to really set. That's one of the reasons why I can't do anything just yet either. We are trying not to touch the cabinets until, give them a few more days to just kind of cure, and the paint to just settle and all that good stuff. And then hopefully I'm really fingers crossed that I'll have my knobs put on there this weekend. I just got notification that they'll be here on Thursday, so I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Um, but yeah, so I have a friend that I think I'm going to convince him to put them on for me, and all I have to probably do is buy him maybe a 12 pack. Like seriously, like he would so do it. He's a young kid. He's like my son's age, and he's like my adopted son, but he's like a handyman. Like he likes to do little things like this. It makes him feel very manly, and so when he comes over to have when he comes over, I have him to do different things like that for me. So like he helped me hang my shelving in the bathroom, and he said he had mentioned it like a while back when I told him that I was doing the cabinets. He's like, well, when you're gonna put knobs on them, and I'll do it for you. So I'm gonna call on that friend. But yeah, so I'm just gonna sit here and chill for the rest of the night. I keep looking at this mess and I'm thinking it's almost over. I will almost have my kitchen in somewhat back together. I have something in mind for my backsplash. In fact, I guess I'll share it with you guys. My goal is to paint my backsplash. I was gonna say my backsplashes. I've been watching some YouTube videos on it, and it doesn't look like it's going to be very hard. I actually may just do it myself, but if I don't do it, I may see how Ricky, the guy that painted the cabinets, but he got a little crazy. Like he was gonna, I wanted him to just do the knobs, because I was like, they come in, because the only thing with having my friend do it is that, you know, he works a lot, and so it's really will be when he has a wife and a little girl, so it will be like when he could find the time, which may not be as soon as I want it to be. So I guess that's why, like, I was like, I would love for Ricky to have done it, but he was wanting to charge me $150, y'all. I was like, dude, are you serious? Like, considering the price that he charged me for the cabinets, and then he wants to charge me $150 for just to screw on some, you know, some knobs. I was like, I don't think so. So that's not going to happen. And I'm actually kind of afraid now that, you know how sometimes, like, I think he, you know, this was a lot for him, and I think he may have felt like he undercharged, because I think this was his first real cabinet job. But it took a little bit more patience from my part to be patient with him, but he did an awesome job. And but I think now he's in that mode of like wanting to overcharge. You know what I mean? Like he wants to, like who in their right mind would say they're gonna charge you $150 to put some knobs on? Like I was just like, dude, are you serious? So I was like, no. So I'm afraid now that he's gonna try to overcharge for everything that he does, which isn't good, because that means he's gonna lose my business. But I have been watching some videos, and I have very small backsplash space, like very small. So I'm actually thinking I can definitely do that myself if push come to shove. And I actually might do it sooner than later, because if I do it myself, I just have to get the paint, and then the rest is history. Like you know, all I have to do is set my mind to it, set down, you know, like map out my plan, set my mind to it, and it's such a small space that I can do it. And I actually see this part of the fireplace here. I'm actually thinking about painting that as well, to match the backsplash. Like they'll be like the same color. I haven't decided yet, but I know it's not staying this color, because it just, I don't know, I just don't like it. But anyway, so that's some things that I'm working on in my head. Excuse me. And you guys know I mentioned that I wanted to do the table. I am so sorry, guys. I'm sniffling. It's cedar. It's got me today. I even asked him how much he would charge me to do the table, and he didn't want to give me a price just yet. And he texted me tonight that he was going to do some research, so he'd give me a price tomorrow. But I honestly don't think, I got a feeling he's going to price high. And if that's the case, then I'll, you know, like I said, I can real quick tell you, screw it. It don't bother me a bit. But yeah, so so anyway, that's the happenings right now. And like I said, stay tuned for my video on Saturday of me doing my big I was gonna say, well, I guess cabinet reveal, my declutter, what I have in my cabinets. Even I don't know. Like it's gonna be a lot of stuff going on in that video. So I'm definitely looking forward to it. You guys stay put. Y'all know I'm revamping, doing some things. So I do apologize that it's probably, you're probably going, okay, where are my daily vlogs? And I'm not saying I'm not doing daily vlogs, because that's not the case. I'm just kind of starting, like right now with the house being the way it is and me just trying to get some things done. I have certain videos planned out and I really want to follow through on those, because they're actually going to be videos versus so much being a vlog. Okay, don't go off TV. So yeah, so just bear with me. I'm trying to come up with how I want to make some changes as far as my daily vlogs go. So bear with me. I will get it together, but definitely it's going to be some great things happening in this great year of 2018, I promise. So anyhow, for now, I'm going to say toodaloo, and I will see you guys in my very next vlog slash video, whichever comes first. I don't know. You never know. I just may pop up on your TV screen or your phone screen and you'd be like, there she is. So anyway, I am going to close for now. I know I look a hot mess. Look at my eyes. Like my makeup is all like running, because I normally come home and take my makeup off. But I was so hungry, I didn't take my makeup off. So and now I'm comfortable on this couch. And so I'm all like, oh gosh. But I'll get up in a minute. But I just want to sit here and watch a little TV and just enjoy my night for a little bit. So anyway, guys, I need to go because y'all know I can talk forever. But I will see you guys sooner than later, hopefully. And don't forget, comment below. Let me know what your thoughts on. Have you seen any of the videos pertaining to painting the backsplash, or it's painting tile in general? Like if you haven't, checked some of them out. They're quite interesting. And tell me if you've ever done any projects like that yourself, or if you've had someone do it. And yeah, so just kind of let me know. And then don't forget, please don't forget, y'all, very important, share my video right after you thumbs it up. Thumbs it up, and then share it with another YouTuber that you're watching currently, and let them know that I do exist, and there's a wonderful world over here full of love, laughter, and excitement. That sounded good, didn't it? Love, laughter, and excitement. It's something else I normally say. I don't know what it is. I say whatever comes to my mind. Y'all know me, I'm cray-cray. So anyway, I'll see you guys in my very next vlog. Bye. Okay, look at this. What is this? It's a slab of ribs. Whose ribs are they? They're my ribs. They belong to me. Like, look at that. Yummy. Yeah. I am about to have the best dinner ever. And over here, there is, I don't know what, but I think this is Cornish hens, which I can't show it to you because it's all wrapped up. Or maybe I can kind of show it to you. Let's see. Oh, look at that. A Cornish hen, and it's been cut in half. So she's laying, you know, like with her belly down. Is that not, oh my gosh, y'all. It's going to be some good eating going on in this place tonight. I'm so hungry. And I've got some beans in the pot. Rice. Red beans and rice. Peas. What is it? What do they say in Jamaica? Rice and peas. And then there's potato salad in the refrigerator, which if I open the refrigerator, you guys will probably be like, what are you doing in that messy refrigerator? So I won't open my refrigerator.